Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 19. This is Section 3.4, Problem 19. It says, a 1967 Shelby GT500 Mustang recently sold at auction for $1.3 million. That's really true. And write this number in standard form. So it's written kind of half in numbers, half in words the way it's written here. 1.3 million. So you'd write 1.3 times a million. And a million has 6 zeros in it. It's a 1 followed by 6 zeros. So to do a multiplication like this, really the way to do it is count how many zeros you're multiplying by and move your decimal that many spots. So you have to move it 6 spots. You have to move it 1 spot to get to the right of the 3. So there's 5 more that you're going to fill in with zeros. So you're going to go 1, 3, 5 more zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the decimal started between the 1 and the 3. And if you move it 6 places for the 6 zeros in the million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. Now to do a nice job, we can put in the commas every 3 places, and because it's money, put a dollar symbol in front. So it'd be $1,300,000 written in standard form.